The word fascinating means very interesting and exciting. It fits because the questions listed about grass, nerves, and spoons are unusual and grab attention. So, fascinating is the perfect describing word. The phrase hands-on always goes with something practical that people can try, like activities or experiments. So, activities fits well because it means people will do things to test their senses, not just watch. Intriguing means very interesting in a mysterious or unusual way. Talking about the human senses is something everyone finds curious. So, intriguing works best here. The word audiences refers to groups of people watching or attending something. Since the bus is going to new areas, they're looking for new audiences, that is, new people to engage with. Encourage means to give hope or confidence. The idea is to motivate people who might not think university is for them, so encourage is the perfect word. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. If not, feel free to share your views in the comments.